Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 19th video in Open Computer Vision. So in the previous video we have talked about canny edge detection and we have created a simple example of canny edge detection. So this is from the previous example. In this video we are going to talk about contour detection in OpenCV. So we are going to give a simple example of contour. So first of all, contours can be explained simply as a curve joining all the continuous points along the boundary, having same color or intensity. The contours are a useful tool for shape analysis and also object detection and recognition. So now let me just create a simple example and you will know. First I'm going to import CV2, and after this I'm going to import numpy as np. First we need to create an empty image and I'm going to use the numpy for creating image. So np dot zeros and 200 and 200. So this is the shape and the data type, so it should be uint. The data type np.uint8. So this is our simple black image. Now I want to place a white square in the image. So let me just create the image and 50, 150 and 50, 150. Okay, so this is the square that we want to add in our simple image. Okay, so now just let me show this CV2 imshow and call image, let me call it because it's not counter right now, and I want to image CV2 dot wait key and CV2 dot destroy all windows. So now let me just run this, and now you can see we have a blank image and we have a square in here. So these are the contours. Now the edges in this section we have. So now okay, so before finding contours we need to apply threshold or canny edge detection. So in this video I want to do thresholding. So let me thresh and cv2.threshold. I want to do on my image, and you need to give 127 the thresh, and you need to give the max value to 255, and you need to give a type. So I want to give it 0 like this. Okay, now after this, now it's time to do find the contours. So you can use cv2.find contours for finding the contour, and this cv2.find contours, this function has 3 parameters. The first one is the input image, the second one is the hierarchy type, and the third one is the contour approximation method. So let me show you. We have image, we have contours, and we have hierarchy. cv2 dot find contours. Okay, so I have said that we can give 3 parameters. The first one is the input image, the second one is the hierarchy type. So we are going to give cv2 dot it is img, not image, img. So I'm going to give it retr underscore 3, and the third one is the contour approximation method, and cv2 dot chain approx underscore simple. So now this CV2 RETR3, this will retrieve the entire hierarchy of contours in the image, enabling you to establish relationships between contours. If you only want to retrieve, for example, you want to retrieve the most external contours, so instead of using this, you need to use RETR external. So you can give, instead of 3, you can give external. So this is particularly useful when you want to eliminate contours that are entirely contained in other contours. So now after this, we have done our job. Now it's time to draw our contour. Let me create another variable. I call it, so let me just change this to image like this, and because I want to, or no, it should be img. So now in here I'm going to draw, so cv2.draw contours. You need to give so before this we need to convert this, so sorry, I forgot to convert our image to BGR. cv2 convert color, and we are going to convert our img, and cv2 dot color underscore gray to BGR. Now after this we need to draw image cv2 dot draw contours, and you need to give your converted color image and the contours. So these are the parameters that we need to give, and this is the color 0255, and this is the line size. I want to give it 2. cv2 dot weight key and cv2 dot destroy all windows. Now let me just run this, and hopefully we don't get any error. We have an error, so we have error in this section, not enough values to unpack. So let me just check this. Oh sorry, in here we need to give our trash, not image. So again we have problem. So guys, the main problem is in here because I have used this before in the lower version of OpenCV, and in the lower version you can give in here 3, but now it's changed. You need to remove this image from here, and we need to give just these 2. So let me just now run this, and it will be correct. Yeah, now you can see that this is the counter detection on a circle, on a rectangle. So I will add the source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also check my blog.